How you doing today, guys? Um, it's been a really rough week for me with my sister in Mississippi. She got into a car accident, flipped over 3 times in the highway, and broke her hip, and she got some brain damage, I think. So it's been kind of very emotional for me this week. But with all that said and done, I'm here to unbox the emax EZ Pilot. I always wanted to do some FPV, so why not now? And why not with Easy Max? I seen a couple of videos on this drone, and I like the I like that it comes with the FPV goggles and the controller, and it's got like well, I'll show you right now. Let's get into the box. And here we go. So what we have here, guys, we got some decals, some Max. It says emax, and one of them, yeah, they say all Max, emax. There's some nice decals. We got some barcodes here, probably for the app. Some more emax stickers. And wow, and here goes the emax. It feels durable. That's the emax. It's got a little cap here for the lens. It feels very, very, very sturdy, strong. Like, it feels unbreakable, and it's got a nice weight to it. I can't wait to try it. Okay, so what else we have? We have four extra props, I believe so. Yep. Four extra props. Controller. Wow, pretty big controller. It's got the switches up here. This is to when you up. This to arm, disarm, and this one's got like beginner, intermediate, and professional, I guess. It's got three levels of flying, and it feels good. Feels nice. Feels very, very, very nice. Then you can plug it in there, I guess. Very big controller. Feels like a PS4 controller. And well, they gave me two antennas. It usually comes with one antenna. And here we have the goggles. They seem really, very, very nice, sturdy, and everything. The emax goggles. It's adjustable on the side. Antennas, two antennas, one for here and one for here. And it's got here for the channels and everything, to program and everything. Also, we have, I don't know what this is for, but I will soon find out. Maybe it's to charge the goggles or something like that, but we will find out. And then we have like a little puny baby screwdriver. How cute is that, huh? And here we have, I guess this is the battery to the goggles. Okay. Yep, it's a 3.7 volt, 1,800 milliamp. You guys can see. And this, you can charge it right there. And this goes plugged in to the headset right back here, like that. And I guess it's strapped somewhere around here. And that's it. This is all she bring. And I can't wait to go. The emax EZ Pilot. Stay tuned for the first maiden flight. As soon as I have time, I'll bring you that content. And remember, peace, love, and joy.